Hey Chad, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. This video will also give you an understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a great website, by the way. I see you have great photos, a beautiful layout, of course, but not enough content, unfortunately. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your home page. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much just words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your service is landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then bump up to 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. It's a great tool to have. You can monitor what you have going behind the scenes of a website with this platform. The UR and DR rating here, this is pretty much the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase the two is through backlinks and citations. A backlink pretty much, or I should say, when you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, this can actually hurt your website. So you want to be careful on that. And that would fall under the UR meter here. So you currently have 47 backlinks. It's giving you 11 as a UR. We could obviously work on these. The DR meter falls under the referring domains and citations, which a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there allows business owners to list business information and services, to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. And again, it would fall on the DR meter here, but you currently have a 0.6 only. Organic keywords, 227. This is very important. I'll elaborate a little bit more later on this video. Organic traffic, 41. So on a monthly basis, you're having 41 people jumping onto your website organically. Looking at your competitors, looks like these guys are the ones being found. As you can see, they have more content. They have more images. By the way, image optimization is also relevant to get your website boosted into the ranks of Google. So yeah, this is their website. In the back end, what they have going behind the scenes, as you can see, they have over 42,000 backlinks. Referring domains over 2,000. Organic keywords, 21,000. Organic traffic, 31,000. So on a monthly basis, 31,000 are jumping onto their website. The UR 20 and the DR 58. So this is beatable. Don't be afraid of these numbers here. Just make sure to bump up your backlink section and citations. Just make sure they're relevant. They have a lot of power going on, and just tag them to your website, and that's pretty much it. You do want to add the keywords onto your content, though. Back to your website, this is your home page. You really have no content going. I see maybe just a paragraph here. Image optimization is also a good way to increase in rankings. So yeah, fairly overall, this is a great website. All the links seems to be working just fine. Easy navigation, which is great. The last and most important thing I want to talk to you about would be the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. I see you have, let's go back. you have 227 keywords on your website. Your competitor, over 21,000. This is a list of their keywords. So just with lawn care Huntsville, there are 200 people in a monthly basis looking for these services with this keyword. For this one, Huntsville Lawn Care, 150. Lawn Care Huntsville with just the AL at the end of the state, 200 a month. So this keyword has approximately search volume. So these are all approximate people. It's not precise. There's no platform out there that gives you a precise number. But just imagine these people are finding you instead. That's the whole point of SEO, is to increase the power of your website so you can be found. And it looks like they are getting all the traffic, over 31,000, which to me seems great, right? Who doesn't want that? If you are to follow these tips and tricks, you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. Chad, this is pretty much what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. That way you won't get a lot of follow-up emails from me. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Chad. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.